Hi, good morning. Too many options. Well, I'm sorry about that. Hold on here. It gets brighter. There we go. Nobody's out here. Okay, good. What the hell? I do have I believe a Dollar Tree. I need to stop buying from Instacart, but it's this house we live at. They don't want to take us anywhere during the week. Maybe unless it's too late now. Christ. Oh no. Jazz hands. Whatever. Do we have a bear coop? To be on the safe side. What is? Oh, that is not ours. That's theirs. Use this one. We get the hot water coop. I do it when the packet goes in, and then the hot water, and the chef gets mad. She's like, it's a mess in there. I'm like, girl, you got it. Oh God, do not let it get up. So it's me. I'm trying to show y'all. I'm so happy, you guys. You know why? Because November 6th is going to be a game changer. To the people out there like my mother that want to question why November 6th needs to happen, or I don't want to talk about her. Oh, God. Trashy of a woman. I don't even know why I bothered. Trying to still have a relationship with her. Oh, yeah, she's your mom. What kind of mother still acts like I'm 3 and she can abandon me, though? Abandon the idea of her having me. Still not married, and yet years ago in like 2018, something about, I wanna have a granddaughter from you that has the same eyes as you and all this weird stuff. That woman has the messiest house ever. Don't go there. I guarantee you when she gets this new home January next year in Gladstone, she... Those couches are hideous. We're not showing that. I was gonna say, does that look like it matches you guys? Does this couch look like it matches my house? No, Ole. Yeah, no, like... Yeah, I can't bother. Honestly, my favorite thing's mom, but she just also sent me something that I don't appreciate because I have plenty of cups. I need to send her a text message or a call and let her know she needs to stop sending me them damn cups. I have plenty of cups. They're freaking coming out of my ears from her purchasing them. Like, at what point do you get irritated by your mom for over... It's like, where is this money coming from, you know? If she has all this money, why can't I have some of it to run my company? Right to Right does, which at this point, the only thing it has is a YouTube channel. Weird. $25 and 18 seconds. I have a lot to delete. Better about there's a good brown. This one's the original Paleo Valley beef stick. Paleo Valley beef stick. Kind of my lips more. I have such big teeth. Sorry for me to move my lips. I skipped dinner last night, so no haters on this channel talking about if you eat too much or awful things people say. No. I'm actually currently trying to get some money back from Instacart because they never really fully refunded me. I don't believe in abandoning them. Some companies do need to die. I don't know, but with California having voter ID, oh yeah, baby. Tomorrow, Lord. I say that because, I mean, need to vote. I'm about getting. I'm leaving my hair like this. Never gets to know when it's braided. Pulled back, braided. I'll tell you one thing is better than having it down. And if you don't know, I love Paleo Valley beef stick so much that I did love the teriyaki ones a lot. And my mother told me yesterday, I don't remember, like half a week ago or something, I have more of these on their way, so I don't know. And she needs to understand I don't want to fought or pay for. I may not physically have my husband, which is a tragedy in of itself. You know, we're supposed to be together for you, America. How in God's name do they expect me to open this? Put some ridges on it or something. Excuse me. So on camera. That's right. I can respect people who don't want to be on camera. Open. Thanks, Mom, for these, but they're really hard to open. Yeah, so stop buying me random things like a cup with pickles on it. I don't want that. Oh God, and all that much should come down here. Damn, so she gave me just the quiet one, so so she gave me is that. And we won't have any problems, okay, Masha? Eric that always gets us in trouble because he's like, huh? What? This is really difficult. Oh my gosh, Lord mercy. I can't get this open. I got that other one open perfectly fine. Hey guys, help. Can't get this open. I've been trying to get this open for probably 10 minutes, huh? Oh my gosh. Okay, we got it finally open after 15 minutes of trying. Oh, wonderful. Damn it. I hate my life. This is not my husband's home. Figure the fuck it out because I'm starting to lose interest in you. Good luck with America with that. Y'all should know what the fuck you doing. I'll play with y'all how many times? Every time I need to. No good liable for someone who then looks and comes off like he doesn't know what he's doing. Ooh, spicy and hot chocolate go good together. man, before we end here, I'll show him. I don't know, years ago, I think Lakewood is perfect. Doesn't have any flaws. I always say that. Lakewood, no. And so with like that clip on the channel, well, I read something about, oh gosh, on my family or something. So Lakewood, Texas Live. The response I got back from Victoria listening. No, church is for a family is such a wonderful thing or something like that. I'm like, what? It's a weird response like that. I hope. I think I stopped watching their channel after that. I love these Kirkland brand granola bars. It came right out. Thank you, Walmart, for letting me get these. Bye.